Hi, this is Arun Agarwal. I track the auto sector here at the Kotak PCG research team. Today I'll take you through our view on the automobile sector. If you look at the volumes in the automotive space, they have been somewhat under pressure over the past few months, and this is largely because of the slowdown of which we are witnessing in our economy. The monsoons which have been below expectations. Further, we have not seen any interest rate cuts coming from the RBI, so probably the recovery in the automobile sector is expected to get delay. We expect situation to improve largely in the second half of this financial year, and the improvement we are expecting would be on a gradual note. The reason we believe so is we expect the economy to pick up somewhat. A lot of companies are launching new products that should help them drive volumes, and thirdly, the lower base effect would also start coming into play in the second half of this financial year. Coming out to various sectors, if you look at in the two-wheeler space, the volumes have been suppressed since November last year, even though it has been slightly better than the other segments. In the two-wheeler space, we like Bajaj Auto largely because the company has got good exposure both in the domestic in the economy in the export markets. The company has launched some new products which we believe would help the company to get some volume growth in the domestic market. Further, in the export market, the company was facing some pressure in Sri Lanka. The company has lowered the prices there, and now we expect recovery to happen there as well. The margins also have been pretty strong for Bajaj Auto, and we therefore like the company. We recommend accumulating the stock on dips from the current level. For Hero MotoCorp, we remain largely negative because we expect that the volume in the domestic market could face pressure from the competitors launching a lot of new products in the 100-125cc space. Further, the margins also could remain slightly under pressure because of that. The company is also venturing into export markets where they could get some volume growth, but then again the margin would take a hit, we believe. So we are not recommending Hero MotoCorp as of now. TVS Motors, again we can look at entering, but again near term we expect the stock to remain sluggish. It's only over the longer medium to longer term that we expect things to revive for TVS Motors. In the passenger car segment, Maruti is facing a lot of pressures. Earlier it was due to the weaker demand on the petrol car side and the adverse currency movement. Now we have seen a lockout at the Manesa plant. We believe that will put a lot of pressure on the company in the near term. There is no clarity as in when the production will start at the Manesa plant. We believe given no clarity right now, we are not recommending the stock. Further, the company's margins are also expected to remain under pressure. Coming on to the commercial vehicle space, the LCV segment continues to do well. The companies operating in this space have already indicated that the freight rates are under a lot of pressure. The economy continues to remain weak, and that is putting a lot of pressure on the sales in this particular segment. Therefore, believe that companies like Ashok Leyland, which is purely into the M&HCV space, will continue to remain under pressure in the near term. There are no major positive near-term triggers in the M&HCV space as of now. Tata Motors, again the fortunes hinges on the performance of JLR. There is a lot of uncertainty in the European region. Even in the US, the growth is on the slower side. Even in the domestic side, the company's the company's performance have been very weak over the past couple of quarters. We therefore believe that the company, the Tata Motors stock would continue to trade under pressure in the near term. Coming on to Mahindra & Mahindra, the stock is a good buy only for long term. Near term there will be some pressure given that the tractor volumes of the company are under pressure. The monsoons have not been very good this time around, and we see that to play negatively on the company. So we would recommend Mahindra & Mahindra only on dips from the current levels and holding for long term period.